Hello everyone, my name is Clinton and let's go. The sky above. Let's get to start. How to rocks in. Let's make about the sky above. There are the sun or the moon of the planet. They get me out of the orbit of the object or lights. Objects and they get the move start planet. So head to sky above them. You can see it. They are the brightest object in the sky. And they are the brightest of the object that in the sky and the star goes. You can see it to be about the stars, closest to Earth. They can get be about a booth or like many pistaches on like them. So now, they're closer to Earth. I'll remember like that. So have to rocks in and goes to be a river. Like them. You see it? It is the sun. And will be that. It is a get be about the sun. The sun is so hot, very hot. They grows in earth, and they goes inside them. Though we have to go around them, earthless. It is the sun or beginning about the moon. The moon is a ball of the rock. They're made of the rock, and that moves around the earth. So word be outside about the around the earth, they move around the earth, and just then you have to go happen in label of the ocean of the earth. Have to write them one of remember and you slow down keeping of that. And that sound about the moves and the moves is that rock and beginning our start. That is why have to all about the creative or light then are very large of the movies and that a start. A start is one of the keeping of that and that goes on to make of that all night. And that is why I have to worry of the very large objects that move around the sun. And that is why I happen to return it. That is why. And very things have a visual scenario. And that's why it happened to how. You can see it. This is a wire. It can be a larger. And that is one of the sin of the galaxy and have to return about the start. You can get to start about return on them and they get to about the so get be all line. So have to all about getting be about a galaxy and galaxy are faith of the many species online. And that is what happened to be about our science. And all of the small objects are like that. You can get be started. Now, I see to know how to get it be outside. And grace be out in many colors so like that. Oh, that's wonderful. They have about a group of start. A group of stars is beginning outside, and that is behind and be freshened. Now is a group of the start. That is why I have the mirroring, and this is the star. A star, a planet. A planet is very large. objects that moves around the sun. They move around the sun or object like that. So have to weather be outside and it's great. We always have the large movies. They move around the sunnies and get the station. There are things that we can see and touch. You can see and you can touch. And that is why I happen to return them. Why return them are both of the things that you can see and you can touch. Now have you turn them at the surface that is fine. And happy now. Happy now moment, and that is why I have to first go like that. They have two objects. These are, you can see it, but you can't touch the sun, the star, the moon, the planet, and this is object. So we walk outside and get the station like that. We can have to return them, and you can know is this because we outside. So I have to know our version like that. They are safe of the object. The object is the sun, a star, a moon, and a planet. So how to return us the earth? It's around our earth. You can show it to be returned them and know how to get the stations outside. And I getting bees after that. And you know have to what time is it one? And the start of the closest to the earth that gives us the closest to the earth that gives us light and warmth. And let's know about the sun and the weather like that and know how to return them. And that is why I have to know. And this is started closer to the earth that gives us light and warmth. You can see about the sun. The sun you can give it a light. Go to the earth. And how about this return then? And that is no wonder a bridge object in the sky that makes its own light. What is group 1 and group 2 that? So this is our star, a moon, a planet, or rotating. Oh, this is start. Get be about our station. They like us to bring about a start. And that is why about a fraction of the start. They had to about a start to spin. And to spin like one of the objects into a rotating or rotating like that. That is why wondering on that and they are rotating. So that is why I happen to return it. Then we have to return around this one. And they are rotating. An object which moves around the sun is object. Is this object? Yes, it's planet. So we can see is this moves around the sun. So beginning be about a stage, about a planet, or have to about a planet. So first is one up to return them. And this is the cost day and night. This is the day and this is the night. Earth, sun, journey, night. What is beginning? A sun, and this is a night, and this is a day. Goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. Night goes up, and day. Why we turn them about a day? Have to know about its potatoes, and why it's so important on that, and why it's so how about is the morning of the wage of the night and turn them. So the sun shines on different sign of potatoes. Is this earth potatoes or that we learned about the potatoes? And this is a potatoes. What? And this is a potato about the day and night. We can see it to return them. Have to know about the return of this one. And that is show about day and that is show about a night. So that device I have to go as in potatoes. And that is be great about a day and this is a night. And that is a Mars. This morning. You good. And goodbye. See you again. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Bye bye.